The Ghost Chopper from 1980 has his own amiibo figure. Hello everybody, this is me, GamerNut, and today I am reviewing the Pac-Man amiibo from Wave 4. This is my second Wave 4 amiibo review I've done. However, I bought this at my local GameStop. It was $15.99. The reason why is because I think this is a rarity. So, let's open it up. We're gonna turn this to gas. One moment, please. This may take a while. We're gonna turn this to this. Alright, so unboxing Pac-Man. Pac-Man has his thumbs up. Oops, that's just the thing. So Pac-Man has a thumbs up. Like, I think that's what they did in Pac-Land, one of those games for the arcade, like in the 80s. I bought this so I could celebrate Pac-Man's 35th anniversary. This year is Pac-Man's 35th. Pac-Man was made by Namco and it was a huge success. In fact, it even holds a Guinness World Record for the most grossing arcade game in its history, having the most quarters in gaming history. Yeah. For Pac-Man, looking at him, he's got his classic design. However, they wanted to have his new modern design, like instead of just having these kind of eyes, like the pizza that's missing a slice eye, or cartoon eyes. They wanted to have the modern look, where Pac-Man has shoelaces on his feet, instead of just normal plain old shoes. Looking at Pac-Man, Pac-Man has an open mouth. He has his tongue sticking out too. Well, sort of. Looking at the back of him, there's not that much. He's got his eyebrows, which are just triangles. He's got his nose. I think Pac-Man's latest game was Pac-Man The Ghostly Adventures 2. I wish I had that game, but unfortunately I don't, since it's too expensive for the Wii U. Looking at Pac-Man, we have on the bottom of him, it says, Bandai Namco Games Incorporated. So, that's the people who made Pac-Man. Pac-Man was one of Namco's first games. I think the first game was Galaxian. Yeah. So, here's a brief history of Pac-Man. Pac-Man was originally going to be called Puck-Man, but they changed this in North America and Japan because they thought the P would be changed to an F sometimes. So they decided to do Pac-Man, and so Pac-Man was a very big hit. I love Pac-Man. I even have it for my NES. Except Pac-Man looks like himself in the Pac-Land rather than just the normal Pac-Man game. Also, there's a cartoon show for Pac-Man on Disney XD, and it's called Pac-Man The Ghostly Adventures. One time I even had a Pac-Man cake. I forget what birthday I had it for. I think it was my, well, I don't know. Well, anyway, looking at Pac-Man, we had, Pac-Man was originally, Pac-Man's name actually comes from the Japanese word paku paku, which makes people open and close their mouths, like very high. So, anyway, looking at Pac-Man, we have, his classic design, and, Pac-Man has appeared in many games, like Pac-Man, Super Pac-Man, Baby Pac-Man. Well, at the end of Miss Pac-Man, Pac-Land, Pac-Mania. Oh my God, he's appeared in a lot of games. I've lost count of how many. He's appeared in the Namco Museum series. I have Namco Museum for my DS. I also have Pac-Man Collection too. There's Pac-Man Party, which was for Wii, I think. I think that was originally for the Wii. Anyway. So yeah, that's basically about it for the Pac-Man amiibo. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, there's a little like button down there, and that means that you like this video. Oh, and by the way, if you like my voice, you can subscribe to me. Thanks guys. I'm GamerNuts Video Game and Toy Reviews, signing out.